back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create this miniature version of peacock feather pen. This is very easy to make and this will not require much time to make this. This is a very easy craft and the maximum average time for making this craft is 20 to 30 minutes. This will be dependent upon your power of making the craft. So let's get into the video. So first let's get started up by making up the feather. So for that you have to cut out 3 raindrop shapes like this, which should not be in the same side. It should be somewhat lesser than each other, and then cut out a small circle and inside that draw a blue heart in, and then we have to stick every raindrop shapes together like this. And then you have to take a brown strip like this and then repeat the process as what I do, and take up draw a raindrop shape like what the feather measures and stick everything together. And then you have to cut out a big raindrop shape which should be in green color, and then stick the feather and the raindrop together and then cut out like this, which will make up the perfect feather. And then take out a pen's refill, and today I have used a ballpoint refill. You can even use gel point pen, and then cut it out into some small length. So make sure that you leave some gap while you're cutting off the refill, and then you have to apply some glue and insert into the refill, and then you have to cut out a small piece out of an empty refill, which will play the process of cap, and then seal its one end using synthetic glue or hot glue gun. So today I have used a synthetic glue and let it dry completely. So if you insert the gap now, it won't insert. So for that I have an idea. So next take a piece of transparent tape and just roll it out like that, and that's it. Our pen is ready. If you like, even you can paint on the refill, or else you can stick some colorful papers on the refill. It just depends upon your wish.